issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Ellis County in north central Texas, southwestern Navarro County in north central Texas, eastern Hill County in central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hubbard, or 19 miles southeast of Hillsboro, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Italy, Hubbard, Blooming Grove, Dawson, Berry, Milford, Frost, Mount Calm, Malone, Penelope and Mertens. This includes Interstate 35 east between mile markers 377 and 385. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for north central Texas.